Hi everyone, my name is Angela, and in this video I will try to explain the simple past tense in English in under 10 or 5 minutes. Let's get right into it. The simple past tense is the basic past tense form in English. It is used to talk about completed actions in a time before now. It can be in the recent past, like yesterday, last week, last month, or it can be in the distant past, like years ago. Typical for this past tense is that it is not important the duration of the action that we're talking about. It is just important that it was in the past, it happened in the past. Some examples would be: he lived in Japan during the summer. She bought a new car. We went to Hawaii for our anniversary. You always use the simple past tense when you tell when something happened. So I'll put here some typical time expressions that could be useful. Forming the simple past tense. It is important to mention that we make distinction between regular and irregular verbs. To form the past simple tense with regular verbs, we have subject plus the past form of the verb, which is typically with ed at the end. The negative form would be subject plus did not or didn't plus the base form of the verb. Here we don't change the verb into the past. We don't add ed at the verb. So this is important to note. The same goes for question forms: did plus subject plus the base form of the verb. It follows the same logic. Did already tells us that we are talking about the past, so did I walk? Now for the irregular verbs, the rule of adding ed does not apply. The irregular verbs change their form in the past simple tense. Some examples are see, saw, buy, bought. Affirmative sentence structure would be the same: subject plus the correct form of the verb in the past simple. So I went shopping yesterday. However, for the negative sentence structure, remember, also with the irregular verbs, we had something to remember. Here, the same. The form would be subject plus did not or didn't plus the base form of the verb. Here also, if we see didn't, did in the sentence, it means that the other verb will be in its base form. Did, didn't already tells us we're talking about the past. So, for example, I went to the park yesterday. What would be the negative sentence from I went to the park yesterday? I didn't went to the park yesterday. It will be incorrect. Went is past tense from go. So I didn't go to the park yesterday. You see the logic? One more example. He ate an apple. What will be the negative sentence? He didn't eat an apple? No. Ate, eat. So he didn't eat an apple. And it goes without a thought that the question form is the same. We have did plus subject plus base form of the verb. Did he eat an apple? Did you go to the park yesterday? And that's all you need to know. I hope this was useful for you. If you stayed this far, I have some more tips. I will leave them on the screen after I'm gone, and some exercises for you. Please show me some love in the comments. I'm just starting and I'm excited to do this, so hopefully we can hang out more often.